What's up guys, this is Chris. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about building some generational wealth with 3 monthly dividend stocks that you can invest in that I think are buys and that they will help you produce some consistent income for your portfolio in the coming months and years ahead. Now, if you didn't know, dividends are cash deposits into your account just for holding a particular stock that offers a dividend either on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis, meaning every 3 months. So you do not need to buy and sell these stocks constantly to realize any gains, right? If you just hold the stock for the long term, if you want to hold it for, a year, 5 years, 10 years, or into retirement, you can totally do so. And every single month or every single quarter, again, depending on that particular company's setup, then you can get that cash into your account. Why a monthly dividend as opposed to a quarterly dividend? Well, it really depends on your personal preference. If you are someone who wants that monthly income coming into you, let's say you might want to pull out some of that money for your own use. If you really are retired, then you can pretty much live off of those dividends. If you only do quarterly, depending on what type of stocks that you own and what month that they distribute the dividends, you might not get a payout every single month. Now, the thing is, though, you do have to invest in a quality company that you know is going to be able to continue to pay that for years and years to come. Let's get into those 3 monthly dividend stocks here, and the first one is going to be Main Stock, MAIN. This is a business financial development company. This is a company that provides capital to medium-sized businesses. A lot of them are ones that generate between 10 to as much as 150 million in revenue, and they're companies that need financing. They need that debt in order to grow their businesses. So Main has about $5 billion in assets under management. The average loan to these companies is about $10 million. They are very diversified across the variety of industries they're in, like retail or healthcare or technology, and they also are in across the United States, whether it's Northeast, Northwest, so a very nicely diversified portfolio of companies here. If you look at the dividend yield, they do have about a 6% dividend yield. So that is, again, on an annual basis. So to find the amount they would actually pay monthly, you would divide that by 12, or you can go ahead and look at the exact amount that they pay monthly. And right now that amount is 20.5 cents. Okay, so for every 1 share that you own, you get 20 cents on a monthly basis. You have 100 shares, you do the math, you get about $20. So that's pretty decent, it's pretty nice to have. And again, over time, you would expect them to increase it. The thing you want to look at also with these dividends is, of course, look at that dividend history and see if they actually have increased the dividend or at least maintain it at this level, and you could see the growth in the future. So when you look at this company, I do see that, in fact, they used to pay as low as 16 cents in 2013. There's times when they paid 17 cents and then 18 cents and then 19 cents. So they are steadily increasing that dividend, which is what you definitely want to see. So that is a good sign. Another good sign and something you want to look out for when you do invest in a dividend stock is going to be look at the track record, see how well the share price has been performing, see how well revenue and income has been increasing, because ultimately these companies need to continue to grow in order to grow their dividend. So when I look at Main Stock, I do see that revenue growth over the past 5 years. I do see the net income growth. And when it comes to the share price, you definitely see a lot of share price appreciation, right? If you're just investing purely to get those dividends and you never plan to sell your stock, this is maybe not the most concern to you. But if you want that share price appreciation, maybe at some point you might want to consider cashing out your position. You definitely want to have some share price appreciation. By the way, guys, I want to give a quick shout out to Moomoo Trading App, all right? Sounds silly, but it is the premier trading app, in my personal opinion, when it comes to the most in-depth research tools that are out there, charting tools, statistics, company breakdowns, excellent infographics out there. You can't find this anywhere else on any other platform. Make sure you click the link in the description down below and you will get some free stocks too if you sign up and deposit money into your account. Dividend stock number 2 is going to be STAG Stock, STAG. STAG Stock is a company that is in the real estate investment trust area. So they are essentially a landlord that buys a lot of properties and then rents it out to people. And in this case, 40% of their business is geared towards e-commerce, logistics, warehouses, and it happens to be that they rent a lot of these properties to Amazon, right? Which is a really big thing, obviously, as e-commerce continues to develop and grow, not just overall, but also as a percentage of total retail sales. Then they're going to have a pretty much guaranteed steady stream of income because Amazon needs those distribution centers and warehouses. And ultimately, that's just one part of their business. They also have, the other 60% of the business is in various other industries. They say about 45 industries, and in total, they own almost 500 different properties, right? So that's their business model. They pay a monthly dividend of about 4% here. So it's a lower number than Maine, but it's always good to diversify. Very profitable, predictable business, and when you look at their earnings growth and sales growth, it is there. This company also increases its dividend a bit slower than a lot of other companies. If you look at the past several years, it was at 11 cents, now it's at 12 cents. So not that much of a difference, admittedly, compared to Main stock, for example. At the end of the day, this still has good revenue growth and good net income growth, and over the past several years, it has a lot of good share price growth too. And the third monthly dividend stock to invest in here is going to be ticker symbol O, Realty Income Corporation. This is one of the premier real estate investment trusts out there after a recent merger that it has agreed with a company based in the United Kingdom. They will be a combined market cap of around $50 billion. So a $50 billion company here you're investing in. They have thousands and thousands of different properties across the country, but also they are expanding to the United Kingdom. And with more properties, they are going to grow their revenue and income even more. And they have a consistent track record of increasing that revenue by about 10% or more over the past several years. And this is a dividend aristocrat company, meaning that over the past 25 years, this company has not only paid out its dividend consistently, and that's no small feat because once again, this is a monthly dividend stock, but also they've increased that dividend every single year, okay? That is what we love to see, all right? When we look at the track record as far as share price appreciation, you will see once again, this stock has been very consistent. It's higher more years than not. And if you go back, 10 years or so, you will see that the share price has pretty much multiplied since then. So it is one that is very promising, and it's got a good basket of essential businesses, right? Like 7-Eleven, Walgreens, Home Depot. They have a couple of ones that are more of the reopening type of stocks, very economic sensitive type of companies, like fitness centers and theaters. But as those come back, that should not be a concern to O's portfolio. They've collected most of the rent over the past year, and that will probably soon reach 100% once again. And this is a company that I definitely believe you want to hold long term. So they currently pay about 23.5 cents per share that you own. That offers about a 4.5% yield. Finally, when we look at the dividend history, you will see back in 2013, this stock paid about 18 cents per share, and then it has been steadily increasing. It's not, again, the fastest increase out there, but if you think about it, you get in at a low price, and you just watch those dividend yields go up, and you watch that share price go up, and you continue to reinvest into this company's stock, that could end up producing some pretty big returns over the long run. By the way, guys, quick shout out to our Stock Dads Discord group. This is an excellent community of over 600 traders and investors, a lot of people with a vast experience that will help guide your every move and make sure that you are investing in the right way. We have stock alerts, we have live training sessions, we have a library of all sorts of different training videos to help you elevate your trading and investing. So make sure you check out the link in the description down below, and we have a 15% off promo code if you use the code CHRISC, all right, CHRISC. All right, so once again, to recap, your 3 monthly dividend stocks are main stock, STAG stock, and O stock. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like this video and let me know in the comments down below, what dividend stocks do you own in your portfolio? I would love to hear it. And until next time, my friends, stay well and invest responsibly.